Yes, yes. It's been a while, like 2 days. Feels like 2 years we've been out here. I'll take it in a little bit. Get on fishing. That's like my homemade chest mount. I love making things and testing it out. I love fishing, I love making things, and I really love making things for fishing. You get it? Anyway, gonna get on out here and see what happens. I got bait today. I got bait from the bait shop. Thank God. Thank God. So let's see what happens today. I'm kind of excited, just a little bit excited. I don't want to get too excited to get too disappointed if I don't get anything, because the sky looks a bit gray, you know, but there's no wind. So I'm hoping it's just hiding the sun. That would be good. And let's see if rain falls or if the wind picks up or whatnot. Here I go. Here I go. Well, there we go. One down. About 20 to go. I want to be able to catch them up and store them as much as I can. Alright. I'm going to try to see him down there. Hooked him to the bottom of his mouth. Come up to the top. Kind of alive. Trying to keep him alive. No weight. I'm just going to try to throw him out there and drag him along and see. See what happens. See what happens. Don't know if you can see him out there. Oh no. Yeah. Leave it alone. See the boy come feet a while again. You mean bird? Oh, jeez, there's a piper this time. Oh, there's a big piper. Alright, do you see him? Let's try to get him. They came after it, but they didn't take it. But let's see. Let's see. The bird almost took it. Oh, man. Alright, let's go. See if we can do this again. But my wife isn't here with me today, so let's see. But I knew when I made the movements, it would attract them from afar off. So I saw a small one, then I saw the big one. Maybe it's the brother of the one that I caught before. Let's see. He caught one over there, maybe. Come on. Come on. Take it, one of y'all. Take it. Where are they? Come on, they were just here and they came after. If I saw them coming for it, if I had seen them, because they're coming far so well, if I had seen them, then I'd be better. I'd be better off. I've left it for them to eat it, but I did not see them. No. Not magic. Alright. If you remember, just spin the hook around. Make sure I point. There's a point somewhere, so when I set the hook, it will actually set. Alright, let's try this. Make sure I'm not around the line. Make sure it's not in anything. Should be good. Hopefully it's good. Yeah. Right, it's way out there. Come on. Come on. Take it, one of y'all. Take it. He's in the open. He's vulnerable. He's twitching. Come on. Come on. Take it. Something gripped it, but I don't know what. Well, happened again. Took my bait, but he got cut this time. hooked in the foot. Alright. Yes, yes. Be busy. Guys. Alright. See, it's in his foot. Yes. Be careful now. Alright. Hey. Just bite it. Alright. Go. Alright. Fly away. There he goes. Don't come back, please. About time. About time. Fell off. That's fine. It's fine to fall off right here. It's fine. Come on, come on. I need to change the water. Alright. Brainstorming. I think I have a container in here. Gotta put the stone on it because the breeze out here is horrible. There he is, don't die. Please. Alright, come on, let's go. Live. Live, I say. Live! Come on. He's fine. He'll be fine. I think. I hope he'll be fine. Let's see if I can get some more. Those, I mean, it's not the best bait in the world, but it's fine now. I was satisfied with them. Hey, look at that. It feels weird, but there we go. It's picking up. It's picking up. That guy, I think he's gonna die. See, they actually like eat it. Why, I don't know. It's not. This is a bit of bait, and it's for a long time ago when I was trying to catch those guys. Just left it on there. No, maybe they ate it. I don't know. But and now I'm gonna catch them without bait. Yeah, it's looking up. I have to go pick up my wife soon, so this is bait for another time. Not much action today, I'm sorry, but not every day is my day. Oh, another one. Oh, look at that, the first one revived. Yeah, they're well and alive down there. I'm gonna try to start fishing with them soon. Don't want them to just, get these dive bait for nothing. They wouldn't be for nothing, I'll have them for tomorrow or next day, but they're all just right there. I doubt y'all can see them, but they're all right there. Interesting stuff. Come on. Bite the hook. Come on. Something's chasing them, so they went kind of deeper. They're coming back now. Yeah, come on. There we go. Do I have one? Nah, thought I did. down, up, down. It's a part of fishing. Patience, determination, self-motivation. Get these down and you'll be fine. I don't promise you that I have it all down, but I'm trying. So there we go. I think I got one. Yes. Don't fall off now. So I want live bait. They're better to use. At times I caught him here. I just hooked him on the wayside. Come on, man. Sometimes they're here, sometimes they aren't. But I'm showing you the true side of fishing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. But it's mostly good, to me. When you love something. Just to show you the true side of fishing. Oh, he got somebody. Finally, you guys do the work yourselves instead of waiting on me to cast out and take it. Maybe I should. Let's just use the bait that I have already. Let's put this down here. Doesn't get in my way too much. I want to put it all the way down for it to get knotted. This guy's out of here. Alright. Let me try to get this net out of the water so I can use it. This is what I caught the piper on the last time. Since there's not much wind right now, I will not wind it up. Let's bring it up. Come on. That and get him some water to revive. Yes, live I say. He's fighting for his life. Yeah. Alright. Oh. Ah boy. Alright, leave it. Oh no, he swallowed it. Ah no. Struggles I face. And now this is yeah. Oh, it's up here. Oh. Siri was calling someone and I don't know how. But I hung up. Come on. Let's hope these birds are gone. Back like this. These guys are so soft because that seagull, he tore the head straight off of the body in order to get the fish. Hope they're not here right now. I think I'm gonna cast on the other side. The reason why I'm casting on this side is because the bait is over here, so the monster fish might be here as well. But let's cast on the other side. Let's cast with the breeze. Let's see how much that helps. Oh, seagull. Nah. Oh, he's perched. Alright, get out there. Nope. Not gonna work. Nope. Not gonna happen today. Are you going back for it? Nope. You lost. I won. Here I get leather in Jamaica. We call them leather skin jack. We get mackerels out here and peppers. So I get them this way. I have never caught a mackerel before. I have caught leather skin jacks and of course peppers. But no mackerel. You know what? I feel like to leave that guy there. Let's leave him swimming over there. Stop it! You're embarrassing me. Got the head of the one that got demolished by the birds. Alright, come on now. Come on now. Surely, surely, that's right. I'll try to hook him a different way. It's less, it's more, let me see. It's easier on the fish, so they won't die as quick, but it's less, what should I say? It's less dependable. You know, if a fish doesn't like gulp him down all in one, then he might just get off, which is what I don't want to happen. But it's more lifelike and he stays alive a little bit longer. The seagulls won't leave me alone. They just won't leave me alone. Let's just put him right down here. Right there. See if something does come for him. Please just dive down, man. Just dive down. It's always interesting watching them like this when you can see them, because sometimes like a big fish just comes, looks at him, but unfortunately swims by, doesn't stop. But it's nice to see it sometimes. Swimming his heart out. He is. Alright. Enjoy yourself, man. Back to you with the light line. Oh, came all the way over here, huh? Did you? I want to try him on the other side, but the breeze is gonna get me. Oh, dang. Ah, jeez. Ah, boy. Alright. Ah, boy. So he's caught. Yeah, he's caught. And then he's caught in my rod line too. Oh, he let it go. It's great. Wonderful. Thought he was caught, but he was just very determined. Very determined. And serious calling somebody else. Jeez. Alright, that worked out. The bait is still there. These birds. On to the rod. Tighten this drag here. Bring up the loose edges. It's in that other line. Give it a nice tug, just in case. And that felt heavy at first. Maybe it's the bait still on it. It's nothing fighting, of course. Only have a 3 ounce weight on this thing. Or is it? Oh, that's it. Yeah. Nah. Yeah, it's much better now. I think it might just be the bait still being on it and not a fish on it. But I don't know. Who knows? It doesn't feel like a fish. It's not fighting, it's not doing anything. Yeah, it's a bait on it. And this other line. So my GoPro is giving me some trouble. But when I don't know if you remember, when I put the rod down here to go check the other lines, I just left it there. When I was picking it up, I had a fish on it. So I was showing you all that it's proof that these guys just bite this. These fish just bite the hook. Is something pulling that, or is it just the wind? It's just the wind. The last time I thought it was just the wind. When I went to try to pull the line up, it was stuck. And that's a telltale sign of snappers. Didn't get him though, of course. He was stuck. Gee, I had one, but he came off. Ah, there we go. There we go. This is a video about how to catch bait, apparently. Well, see? Pure hook, no bait, no nothing. That's a good way to be more economic. You don't have to buy bait to catch these little fish. I mean, these little fish, they can be eaten. You can eat them. You can fry them up. You can do whatever you want with them. You know, you don't need bait to catch them. But you can use them as bait to catch bigger fish. And that's the whole aim here. You remember when I showed y'all the sky? Look at it now. And before it was so grey. Oh, came off. It was so grey, but now it's all sunny and nice. Beautiful. Whoa. Did you see that stingray? I turned around just in time. See the stingray jump out of the water. It's wonderful. Yeah. Wonderful. Beautiful Jamaica. Look at it. Just look at it. Man, I'm so happy to be here. Just man, I'm so happy. Yeah, look at this. This is a bang. I'm glad I got it. Is it? Yeah, it is a bang. Glad I got it. Right in the mouth. Nice. Nice. They're jumpers. Let me just move this. Because they're jumpers. Right. I mean, I got that bait for tomorrow. Or another day. Whenever I go fishing again. But that's wonderful. That's wonderful getting that bait. That made my whole day. Made my whole fishing day. Just getting that bait so I can have it for tomorrow. That's wonderful. Oh. Like, isn't it sinking? Oh, it's another one. They're running. But it's a smaller one. But it's like the perfect bite-sized bait. So I don't even have to cut this guy when I'm sending him out. Let's put him out. I mean, I can't put him out live now because I gotta go for my wife soon. But he'll be fine dead too. Gotta try to get them while they're biting. Get them while they're good. Come on, don't slow down now. See, sometimes you'll be here all day and not get any, and sometimes you'll be here just for a minute and get so much. You know, you can be able to share it with other people. No one here though, but it's fine. Come on, where did you guys go? Down a little bit more. Let's see. Let's just go back to the toughies. Toughies were treating me well. Yeah, something has jumped over there. Alright, come on, toughies. Alright, thank the Lord for fish. Got some bait. Can get fish tomorrow. Really hoping to get a nice fish tomorrow. Even I got all these lines out there, but I'm bringing them up. Hopefully I can get something on it. I'm just hoping. I hope none of them gets entangled or tangled with anything. Come on. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I got him in a bad spot. Yeah. Okay, what I got him. Jeez. Yeah, that hurt. I'm sorry. Oh, there we go. And again, this is a homemade sabiki. So you don't even have to spend money to get a sabiki that works. I mean, maybe the store-bought sabikis will work better. I mean, most likely. I plan to get one, but this works for now. So yeah, this works for now. Yep, there we go. It's working. It's working. I am happy. I'm glad I can show you out something because it has been slow all day today. Slow all day. So showing you something is wonderful. Come on. Diving birds over there. And those birds, I believe, those birds, the pelicans, go for the bigger bait fish like the bang and the sprat. Somebody see it, like it, and bite it. See it, like it, and bite it. Come on. Come on, somebody. Give me one for the road. I'm about to pack up and leave. Ah, there we go. What? What is that? Come. What are you doing there? It's what we call a whitening in Jamaica. Like, whatever. Whatever. Didn't want you. But I'll keep you. But it feels weird. Oh, that's why. Because I got somebody. This is so small. Perfect bite size. Perfection. Perfection. That's like a cookie. That's like a fish cookie. Oh, that was my one for the road, right? One more for the road. Where's one more for the road? Come on. Ah, there we go. Alright, this one's the one for the road. I'm gonna pack up now because my wife's waiting. I think I got enough. Man, it's hard to leave when they're biting. Very, very hard to leave when they're biting. And you know what? It's too hard to leave when they're biting. Gone weeks without getting one of these, and they're coming in on it one by one after the other. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. And if anyone's curious about the bead that I have, that white bead there, it's just so it doesn't, I don't wind it up into my leads here. I thought that was a stinger again. Right. I will leave soon. My wife is on the phone. Babes, I'm gonna leave soon. They're biting. Right? Right? Alright. She's so supportive. Right. They're a little bit deeper now. Don't fall in the hole. Don't fall in the hole. Don't fall in. Who thinks I should give? You know, let me just. Alright. Nah, I'm gonna give him. I'm gonna give him. I'm gonna give one of the birds one of these fish. Which one? Right. I'm gonna give him the one that I really didn't want. See if I can catch him. Where is he? Yeah, he's fast. Now there he is. Who should I give? Should I give this pelican? Will he take it? I doubt it. Do you want it? You gonna eat it? You gonna eat it? There. Are you gonna come for it? You're gonna let a seagull come for it. I mean, he's looking at it. Ah, there's a seagull looking at it too. There we go. Oh, eat it, man. Is he gonna be able to eat that big fish? Still flying with it. Still flying with it. Nah, he hasn't swallowed it yet. The other seagull wants it. Oh, he's flying high with it. Nah, I think he probably swallowed it. Alright, that's my good deed for today. So winding these, get these lines in,